In this video, we will cover the topic of creating new bundles quickly, using iClone feature. Bundles can be created quickly, with similar line items, in different price book, or currencies using iClone feature. Just to remind, different bundles need to be created, for different price books, and currencies. Please update bundles page layout to add this button. iClone provides option to change bundle items details, either by updating header, or changing the values individually. For example, changing discount on header, will change the discount for all bundle items. If price book is changed, it will automatically update the list prices of bundle items, as per the selected price book, or currency. For example, this is current list price, and selecting custom price book will change the applicable list prices, for that price book, for line items. Similarly, if multi-currency is enabled in your org, changing currency will update line items with respective currency value, if defined for products. For example, changing currency to GBP will update line item values with GBP values. You can also update bundle level discount, or pricing to mass update bundle items. For example, changing discount on bundle level will change the discount, for all line items. Other features are same, as discussed in Configure Bundles video. You can order line items using this icon, delete using this icon, and check volume pricing using gear icon, if volume pricing is defined for the product. Required checkbox can be checked. If this should always be added by sales reps, you can select product status, and define line items descriptions. You can add, or remove any standard, or custom fields filter, or results sections, on this page, using field sets. Please check adding custom, and standard field section of the tutorial for more details. Once saved, new bundle will be created in draft status, with all line items configured, price book and currency selected in previous page. Once you are done configuring the bundle, you can change the bundle status to approved, for making it available for sales reps, or submit for approval. If Salesforce approval process is configured for bundle approvals. If you changed the name while cloning, it will show new name for this bundle. Also, note that clone from field is populated with the reference of original bundle. This is how new bundles can be created with just few clicks. Please note, iClone is one of our apps on AppExchange, to clone records, with related list items. But we have provided this feature for free, to clone bundles. We offer free 15 days full feature trial. Visit our website for detailed documentation, pricing, or contact our support for any queries.